Kudo. Tama. Good day po, Miss Mel. Butcher experience po. Meron pong pathway for PR po ang butcher.
Definitely po. At ang pinakamaganda dyan is bagong sali ang butcher sa category base ng express entry. So to answer your question, definitely po, it's a yes.
Yes. So, magandang question niya, meron po bang PR pathway? So, sabi ni Miss Mel, meron, and that's the category base. So, napakaganda. So, if you're interested, ito yung pinamaganda sa 2025, Miss Mel, is there's a lot of opportunity for all our caps na makapagland dito ng Canadian Dreamer. Ng PR dito sa Canada. And that's it for today, Pumakap. Thank you very much for joining us, Pumakap. Before we end this video, we would like to invite you, Pumakap, to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community. On this community, Pumakap, you will have an opportunity to access the following. You will able to join our weekly webinar, Pumakap, plus our 5 days immigration success, and also we have an exclusive immigration bootcamp. You will able to learn express entry, provincial nominee, or AIP, or how to find job offer here in Canada. You'll be able to access also our real success stories to give you more inspiration. So we strongly suggest, mga kap, if you are dreaming to study, immigrate, work in Canada, I strongly suggest to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community, mga kap. The link is in the description below, or simply type in the comment section, access, and I'm going to send directly this link to you, capunitycanada.net. Thank you very much, mga kap, and signing out. Maraming salamat, mga kap, and see you here in Canada.